Hi, I'm Sam Maloney. Today we're going to be discussing a third grade math standard, which is 3.nbt.a.1, which is where we're going to be using the place value of understanding how to round whole numbers to the nearest 10 or 100.
Hi, I'm Paige. Our objective is third grade students will be able to round to 2-digit and 3-digit numbers by filling out a rounding worksheet with 90% accuracy.
Hi, I'm Emma Rizuko. So our first activity that we're going to be doing is called back and forth. The teacher will break students into groups of 2, and then there will be labeled student A and student B. After that, the teacher will give a topic for the students to explain that corresponds with rounding numbers. So student A will first teach student B about that topic that the teacher said, and then student B will be taking notes as student A is talking and teaching. And then afterwards, student A will check student B's notes to check for understanding, and then they'll switch. So student B will do the same thing.
Hi, I'm Abby. And so why is this important for them, and how would they use it to gain knowledge? Well, students typically learn better not only from teacher, but if they're learning from each other. And then this is important because being able to teach another student will only solidify what they've already learned.
Hi, I'm Gracie. The second activity is a rounding dice activity. So each student will get into pairs, and each pair have one worksheet with 3 boxes and 3 dice. And then they're gonna roll each die and have like 2 10s and a 1 or 1 10, 2 1s, and they're gonna add all the numbers together. And then they'll have to figure out if they're gonna round it up or round it down. This helps their knowledge in addition and rounding skills, and will actually help them work together and learn how to work with someone that they might not know or a friend, and working their math skills overall. And that'll just help them gain knowledge for all their overall math skills, which is really important because they can learn how to work with everyone else. And after every 3 rounding skills, you can switch up the pairs so they work with everyone in the class. And this is intended to be a one-day activity, but you can also base it on how well each student does, and if they enjoy it, then you can add it more later on.
Hi, I'm Zoe. The assessment is a rounding worksheet. There'll be a section on rounding 2-digit numbers and a section on rounding 3-digit numbers. The kids will have about 20 to 30 minutes to complete this assessment, and it would be done either at the end of a 7-day period or at the end of a 10-day period, so that way they could go home and practice. Before taking the assessment, they would be assigned a homework assignment to help with practice. And then we want to be able to see 90% accuracy or more with most of our class. If it is lower than, I would say, about 50% accuracy, I would suggest that it would be time to reteach the subject.
Thank you very much for watching our third grade standard.